Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgments and orders dated 16/12/2008 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in Trade Tax Revision numbers 664 of 1999 and 667 of 1999, by which the High Court has dismissed the said revision applications preferred by the Revenue and has confirmed the orders passed by the Trade Tax Tribunal within bracket hereinafter referred to as the Tribunal. Stop. Allowing appeal numbers 259 of 1997 within bracket 80, 81 and 260 of 1997 within bracket 81, 82, holding that recovery certificate issued in the name of Messrs. Shaw Scott Distillery Private Limited within bracket hereinafter referred to as the original SC bracket close and endorsed against Messrs. Radico Khetan Limited hereinafter referred to as the purchaser could not be proceeded against the purchaser, the revenue has preferred the present appeals. Stop para. The facts leading to the present appeals in nutshell are that the original SC, Messrs. Shaw Scott Distillery Private Limited, Rampur was in area of rupees 11,28,877 and rupees 53,89,035 of trade tax for the year 1980 and 1981-82 respectively. Stop. The recovery proceedings were initiated against the original SC. Stop. The recovery certificate was issued. Stop. The plant, machinery and the goods belonging to the original SC came to be purchased by respondent herein, purchaser on 12/12/1985 and on 1/1/1986 for a total consideration of rupees 12,12,000. Stop. The assessing officer within bracket AO found that the transfer of the aforesaid property was effected by the original SC at the time when the assessment proceedings were pending, and the assessing officer found that the said transactions in favor of the purchaser were for the purpose to defraud the revenue. Stop. Therefore, in exercise of powers under section 34 of the UP Trade Tax Act, bracket open, hereinafter referred to as the Act, bracket close, the recovery certificate issued in the name of original SC was endorsed by the assessing officer, treating the aforesaid transfers wide to be recovered the amount from the purchaser in the same way as it had to be recovered from the original SC. Stop para. The purchaser dash respondent herein dash Messrs. Rampur Distillery and Chemicals Limited, bracket open, subsequently renamed as Messrs. Radico Khetan Limited, bracket close, challenged the endorsement of recovery certificate against it before the first appellate authority. Stop. The first appellate authority dismissed the appeals preferred by the purchaser. Stop. Feeling aggrieved with the order of the first appellate authority, the purchaser challenged the same before the Trade Tax Tribunal. Stop. The tribunal allowed the said appeals and held that endorsement of recovery certificate against the purchaser is bad in the eye of law by observing that first, no assessment proceedings under the Act were pending when the purchaser Messrs. Rampur Distillery and Chemicals Limited purchased the goods, plant and machinery from the original SC, and second, that the transactions of sale of goods, plant and machinery between the original SC and the purchaser cannot be said to be with the intention of defrauding tax or any other dues, and third, that the purchaser was the bona fide purchaser. Stop para. Feeling aggrieved with the common judgment and order passed by the Trade Tax Tribunal, the revenue preferred the revision applications before the High Court. Stop. By the impugned judgments and orders, the High Court has dismissed the said revision applications, which has given rise to the present appeals.